gem. What should I look up?
S.
For what?
Secret. Let's see what this does. I can always find them in here. I'm amazing at them. And you don't even know what it is, so I wouldn't know. Okay, stop.
Who's her?
Oh, it was you.
That imaginary person who always talks to you.
How do you know?
Because I'm imaginary.
If I could do this and it would not hurt you, it would be imaginary. Okay. Play-Doh. It's
What's Play-Doh? But wait, is this? Are you sure? P-L-A-Y-O-D. Is that an O or a U?
It's
O. Is that a G or an O?
Is it O?
I don't really care. I just want to find it and get rich.
Let's go.
Wrong room, Buster.
Oh, right, I forgot.
Ooh, I think this is a prop. Cool pink sunglasses. Yeah.
Okay. It's play.
Our gumball machine. Where?
That's not what we're looking for right now. No,
It's the dictionary.
yeah, whatever.
I don't know. This is all girly, weird stuff.
Yeah, probably Miley Cyrus is doing it.
Don't see anything. Don't think this is it. It's pretty though.
Oh, this is you.
We're rich.
Come down, buddy. Come down, buddy.
We finally found it after.
It was around an hour, but awesome.
About an hour.
Yes, it was an hour.
But I say it sounds better.
What's the point? That sounds you.
We'll be
I'm
right back.
cooler, you know?
Yeah. We'll be right back with our next video or when it comes out. Thank you for watching this.
Peace out.
Peace out.